Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix keyboard is not showing in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your keyboard is not working or is not showing in your phone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings here. The very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that you're connected to internet. Go down, go to software update, click on check for updates, check for the pending software update for your phone. Then go back from here and just go to your main settings, go to apps. You just have to look for your keyboard here. For example, if you're using Samsung keyboard, so you can select that one. I'm gonna using keyboard. I'm going to search for keyboard here. Click on keyboard and then click on storage. Click on clear cache. And once I've cleared cache, just go back. I recommend you how to make a restart with your device to fix your software glitches. Click on the restart icon again to make a restart with your phone. Once you have restarted, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go back here, go to your settings app again, and now once you are in settings app, just go to apps, and here look for your keyboard here or your keyboard here. Click on the storage icon again, click on clear data. And once you have cleared data, you have to reset up your app. Just go back, click open, and from here select input method and then select your keyboard, click done. And once you have reset it up, your issue will be fixed. But if your issue is still not fixed, just go back from here, click on this uninstall option, click on uninstall. So it will completely uninstall your keyboard. You have to go back and go to your Play Store app here, click for search and search for keyboard, click on install to install your keyboard app on your phone. Now if you're using Samsung keyboard, so you just have to make a restart after uninstalling your keyboard. And once you've uninstalled, just restart your device, and after restarting, your phone will download and install keyboard by itself. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if your keyboard is not working or is not showing up. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.